Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Vanik's Smart Class. Today we are going to discuss about SBI PO prelim level questions. But SBI PO prelim level questions, all the questions are very easy. But you have to solve all the questions within the timing. It is the very easy level DI. Come to the question. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions are given below. The given bar graph shows the number of notebooks, laptops sold and the number of tablets sold by 5 different brands in 2021. Number of notebook, laptops sold, number of tablets sold. Here HP, Lenovo, Apple, Dell, Samsung. Number of notebook, laptops and number of tablets sold by 5 different brands in 2021. Come to this. Here the number of notebook, laptops and tablets sold by Dell in how more or less than the number of notebooks, laptops sold by Lenovo. The number of notebook, tablets, tablets and notebook, laptops and tablets. Notebook here Dell here 8. Then tablets 1.25. Total 8 plus 1.25 is equal to 9.25. Number of notebooks sold by Lenovo. Lenovo here. Number of notebooks sold by Lenovo is 2. Then this difference 9.25 minus 2. It is 7.25. 9.25 Lenovo. Number of notebooks sold by Lenovo 7 here. 7. 9.25 minus 7. ଏଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ ଆସିବ ନା 9 minus 7 2.25. So that option D is our answer. Come to the next question. The average number of notebook, laptops, tablets and mobile phones sold by Samsung 11 lakh. Find the number of mobile phones sold by Samsung. Samsung एटी पिला अछि नोटबुक और आपनकर टैबलेट मिसिंग अछि 8. तो 11 रो आपण 8 माइनस कर देले एटा केते हो ना 3. ठीक अछि रसला केते ना 3. The average अछि नहीं भूले. Average number of notebook, laptops, tablets and mobile phones sold by 11. 11 into 3 total है आपनकर 30. तो 33 रो हमें केते माइनस कर दो ना 5 plus 3 8 माइनस कर दो जोटा हला कोन ना नोटबुक्स आ होला आपनकर टैबलेट एटा माइनस कर दो एटा हला 25. आंसर केते आसबो ना B 25 lakhs. B is our answer. The selling price of each HP tablet is 24,000. HP tablet 24,000. HP देखो HP tablet टा होचे आपनकर 2.5. त माने 24,000 into 2.5 lakh. 25 4 जा 100 0 10 carry 25 2 जा 50 plus 10 6. ये जब आपनकर 6,000 lakh होगा तो 2.5 lakh एटा 6,000 lakh. But 24,000 into 2.5 lakh 60,000 lakh. 60,000 lakh. Find the cost price of HP tablet. The profit is 20%. Then 60,000 lakh in this 60,000 rupees 20% profit included. So that cost price is equal to 100 by 120. 100 by 120 it is 50 lakh 50,000 lakh. तो पिलाटी 50,000 lakh टा तो cost price of SP tablet केते पड़ेगा ना 2.5 अर्थात 50,000 lakh divided by अपन को number of SP tablets से केते ना तो गोटे 2.5 2.5 is equal to 20,000. Option A is our correct answer. कारण total number of HP tablets से डाला 25 2.5 lakh it's 2.5 lakh it डाला गोटे price था 24,000 clear. Next number. What is the ratio of the total number of Apple notebook laptops and tablets sold to the total number of Samsung notebook laptops and tablets? If the sales in both brands are reduced by 20%, total number of Apple notebooks and tablets sold 3 plus 1 4. It's 20% is reduced. That means 80 by 100 is equal to 3.2. Then Samsung notebooks and tablets. Samsung 5 plus 3 8. 8 it's 80%. 20% reduced. It's 80%. It is 6.4. So that ratio 32 3.2 by 6.4. That means 32 by 64. That means 1 by 2. So here option C is our correct answer. If the ratio of the number of Dell notebooks laptops sold to the number of Asus notebook tablet sold is 4 is to 3. The ratio is given 4 is to 3. And the number of Asus tablets sold is 120% of the number of HP tablets sold. Then the total number of Asus notebooks and tablets sold is what percentage of the total number of HP notebook, laptops and tablets sold. Then Asus notebooks sold 20% more So that number of access notebooks sold 14 into 3 by 7. 7 2 ja, that is 3 2 ja 6 lakh. Then number of access tablets sold 2.5 into 100 20 by 100. So that it is 3 lakhs. କାହିଁକି ନା 2.5 to 12 multiplied ଏଟା 300 ହବ ଯେଟା କଟି ଗଲା ପରେ ଏଟା ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି 3 lakhs. Total here 9 lakh. Total number of HP notebooks and tablets sold 10 plus 2.5. It is 12.5 HP. 10 and 2.5 12.5. Then according to the question 9 by 12.5 into 100. Here is 0. Then 25 5 ja 25 4 ja. Then 5 it is 18 18 4 ja 72%. Option D is our answer. Come to the next number. There are 1800 employees working in a small farm. All employees are invited for a tour and the farm provides three ways of transport: by train, flight and own transport. The ratio of male to female who travels by flight 3:2. Number of female employees who use train is 1.4 of the total number of employees of the farm. The number of male employees who use their own transport is 100 less than the number of female employees who use train. The total number of female employees is 800. The number of male employees who use their own transport is 140% of the number of female employees who use their own transport. The number of males who use the train is twice the number of female employees who use their own transport. So here, at first we need the total data. Number of female employees who use train one by 4 into 1800, so that it is 450. Kahin applied lekhichi who use trains 1 by 4th of the total number of employees in the farm. Number of male employees who use own transport. The number of male employees who use their own transport is 100 less than the number of female employees who use train. So 450 minus 100 is equal to 350. Then number of female employees who use own transport. देखो ये लिखा है इसके the total number of the number of male employees who use their own transport is 140% of the number of female employees who use their own transport. So that 350 into 140 by 100. 0 0 0 0 cancels. 14 5 is 70 0 7 carry. 14 is 42 7 49 490. नहीं लाइट उल्टा लिखी 350 into 100 by 100 कारण एटा 40% अधिका 350 into 100 by 140 0 0 2 रे काटला एटा 5 2 रे काटला 7 7 रे काटला एटा 50 50 into 5 केते हला ना 250 The number of male employees who use the train is twice the number of female employees who use their own transport. Own transport of female employees is 250. Our 2 गुण होची male. Number of male employees who use train are 2 times 250 into 2 is equal to 500. अच्छा total 1800 employees. All employees are invited for a tour and the farm provides 3 ways of transport by the train, flight and own transport. The ratio of male to female who travels by flight 3:2. देखो it is the total number of female employees is 800. जहाँ information देइछे हम details लिखुछे total number of female employees कितना 800 तमाने number of female who used flight कौन होगा ना 800 माइनस एटा हम बाहर कर दीजिए कितना ना 450 प्लस 250 तार पिलाटा कितना होगा ना 100 रेशियो ऑफ मेल टू फीमेल फ्लाइट तो माने एटा ला कोन कहलो नंबर ऑफ फीमेल मेल फ्लाइट कितना होगा ना मेल फ्लाइट अपन को 3:2 अछि यदि 2 टा अपन को रहला केते 100 तो 3 टा कितना होगा ना 100 यति गेला हमर डाटा हमर सब बाहर गेला ट्रेन और मेल केते ट्रेन और फीमेल केते ओन ट्रांसपोर्टर मेल केते ओन ट्रांसपोर्टर फीमेल केते फ्लाइट रो मेल केते फ्लाइट रो फीमेल केते टोटल फीमेल केते टोटल मेल हम सबुरा इंफॉर्मेशन पाइ गेला पर आपन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखा एठी डिटेल्स हम लिखा है जी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को पढिबा ए डाटा को नेकी क्वेश्चन चलो पिला फर्स्ट नंबर देला if 20% of the male employees who use their own transport देखो पिला own transport रो male हला own transport of female male हला केते 350 20% of the male employees who use their own transport and 12% of female employees who use their own transport decided to use the car. Then find the ratio of a number of male and female who use their own transport. तब 350 रो 20% कार व्यवहार करता हूं 80% ही व्यवहार करले कोन ना ओन ट्रांसपोर्ट सेंते आपनकर 12% फीमेल एम्प्लॉइज हु यूज देयर ओन ट्रांसपोर्ट डिसाइडेड टू यूज कार अच्छा ता माने एटा केतला 250 कोनटा ना मेल एम्प्लॉइज सर फीमेल एम्प्लॉइज 250 आर 12% कार नै कि ता माने ओन ट्रांसपोर्ट केटला ना 80 by 100 जो परसेंटेज एटी देखा है 100 है by 80 by 100 है ये दिटा का कटेगा सुन कटेगा 5 के 7 5 के 5 8 के 10 8 के 11 तब उनका कितना ला 70 by 50 5 के 14 है वो 5 के 11 तब आंसर कितना आसला ना 14:11 ऑप्शन डी है ना आपका आंसर क्लियर चलो नेक्स्ट नंबर लिखो if 20% of the male employees who use their own transport 115 male employees and 222 female employees cancelled their travel find the new total number of employees who traveled पिला हमरो 1800 होची कोन ना फीमेल आउ 1000 हेले कोन ना हमर आपन को रहले मेल तो 800 रो में 222 कोन कोन ना समान कैंसिल कर तानो ट्रिप टा 10 minus 2 है 8 9 minus 2 है 7 8 minus 2 है 7 minus 2 है 578 सेमती आपनकर एटा ला 1000 1000 हम केते माइनस कर दवा ना 150 जबला केते हो ना 150 और 15 ना 115 एटा 150 10 minus 5 will have 5 9 minus 1 8 then 9 minus 885 তাহলে আমি লিখি দেবা 885 plus 570 85 13 3 1 carry 8 7 51 16 6 1 carry 8 13 1 or 6 ऑप्शन बी है आंसर नेक्स्ट नंबर चलो cost of a train ticket is 330 rupees per person if 70% of the train ticket cost is given by the firm then find the total contribution of the employee who use the train who use the train cost केते अछि ना 330 rupees और 30% reduce होता है 30 by 100 तो पिलाटा केते आसला 99 तो केते पिला दिया जो 950 into 99 जोटा हला आपनकर 94050 option A is our correct answer number of female employees who use their own transport is what percentage more or less than the number of male employees who use flight number of female employees who use their own transport is what percent more or less than the number of male employees who use flight देखो 250 minus 150 तो डिफरेंस कितना इसला हमरा यहाँ पाई जाई number of female employees who use their one transport is what percent more or less than the number of male employees who use flight हमें देखिए जे 250 minus 150 এটা अपन का इसला कितने ना 100 100 by 150 into 100 तो 52 is 53 200 by 3 means 66.66% is more option C is our answer next number but the difference between the total number of male employees who use train and a flight and the total number of female employees who use flight and own transport For the difference between the total number of male employees who use train and a flight, that means if 500 plus 100 is equal to 600. For the difference between the total number of male employees who use train and a flight, okay, and the total number of female employees who use flight and a own transport. Female employees here 100, sorry 250. এটা 500 plus এটা 150 হবে না, 500 plus 150 এটা হলো 650, এটা হলো 250 plus 100 যেটা হলো আপনাদের 350, তা ডিফারেন্সটা কেতে হবে না 300 হবে, 650 350 300, অপশন এ হবে आंसर। Fuel tanks of two cars A and B contain a mixture of diesel and kerosene. The ratio 3:1, 4:1. 3:1 will add up 4, or 4:1 it will add 5. Suppose our LCM negative it will 20 liter. और 3 अच्छी 20 liter और 3 अच्छी 20 liter. Both tanks of fuel is taken out and filled the new empty tank. Now the new tank contains 62 liters of diesel. Find the total quantity of kerosene in the new tank into quantity of fuel tanks two cars A and B are the same. मैं इतनी जति तमन एटा केते ला 20 हेले अपन रेशियो टा केते 3:4 माने 4 रे 5 मल्टीप्लाई कर 20 अर्थात एटा 3:1 थिला ना तमन एटा 15 हेला एटा 5 लिटर सिंधी 20 टा एटा अपन 4:1 अछि 4:1 तमने 5 4 जा 25 एटा 4:1 अछि ना 4 4 जा 16 पर गोटाला 16 आ गोटाला 4 एटा भी 20 लिटर जोथरे आपनकर कोन कोन अछि जोथरे आपनकर 16:4 and 15:5 ठीक अछि 16:4 and 15:5 so here एटाला डीजल एटाला केरोसिन इट्स इन द डीजल एटाला केरोसिन डीजल टा मिसी केते हला ना 15 plus 16 जोटा आपनकर हला 31 केरोसिन टा केते हला ना केरोसिन टा आपनकर हला 5 plus 4 जोटा हला आपनकर 9 ठीक अछि 31 टा जदी 62 हुए तो 9 टा पिला केते हो ना 18 लीटर सो दैट ऑप्शन डी इज आवर आंसर। In a quiz competition, there are 15 teams, out of which 10 teams have at most 3 persons per team. For the finals, 7 teams are to be selected, out of which at least 5 teams must have at most of 3 persons per team. In how many ways can the selection be made? There are 15 teams, out of which 10 teams have at most 3 persons per team. For the finals, 7 teams are to be selected, out of which at least 5 teams must have at most 3 persons per team. In how many ways can the selection be made? So here Total number of possible selections I can write. And 10 to 5. There are 15 teams, out of which 10 teams have at most 3 persons per team. For the final 7 teams are to be selected, out of which at least 5 teams having at most 3 persons per team. That is 10C5 into 5C2 plus 7 जन सिलेक्शन करें ना 10C6 plus 5C1 plus 10C7 into 5 sorry time 2 होना 5C0 10C5 into 5C2 10C5 पिलाला 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 5 factorial 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 जोटा 5 factorial cancel है जो इतला 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 जोटा कि 5 2 जा 10 cancel है जरा 3 रे कटला अपन 3 4 रे कटला अपन 2 तब इतला 3 into 2 into 7 into 6 plus 5C2 डा सिंधा अपन वाला 5 into 4 divided by 5 2 जा कितने इतला 10 5 into 4 and into advance 1 by 2 Then 10C6, so that 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Then 5C1 into 5 plus 10C7, 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 3 factorial. If you calculate this number, you will get 3690. Option B will be answer. Two numbers A and B are such that the sum of 10% of A and Y percentage of B is 8 by 11 of the sum of 25% of A and Y percentage of B. Find the value of Y if the ratio of A and B is 2:3. Suppose one number is 2x, another number is 3x. Then 2x it's 10%, 10 by 100 plus Y percentage of B, Y by 100 into 3x is equal to 8 by 11, 25% of 2x, 25 by 100 into 2x plus Y percentage of B, Y by 100 into 3x. This is solve for 20x by 100 plus 3xy by 100 is equal to 400x by 1100, 25 into 2, 8, 200 into 2x plus 3xy by 100. It is 24xy and 8 into 3x into y, 24xy by 100, 33xy minus 24xy by 100 8 by 11 na 8 by 11 na 1100 11 into 100 1100 କାହିଁକି ନା ପିଲା ଏଟା ଅଛି କେତେ କହିଲ 3x ମାନେ ଏଟା actually 1100 ଏଟା 1100 ହେଲେ ଏଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହବ 100 अच्छी 11 3 जा 33 minus 24x is equal to 400x minus 220 divided by এটা মধ্যে আপনার বলছেন 1100 তাহলে 9 100 আছে কত 9xy is equal to 400x minus 220x is equal to 180x ଆପଣଙ୍କର xx କଟିଗଲା y ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ କେତେ ହେଲା ନା 20 ଯେମିତି y ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 20 ମିଳିଲା ସେ क्वेश्चन ପଚାରିଛି କି find the value of y ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ 20 ହେଲା ଅପସନ डी क्लियर ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ क्वेश्चन ଯିବା A tube can be filled by 3 pipes. PQ are alone in 10 hours, 15 hours, 20 hours respectively. And pipe D can empty the tube in 12 hours. The tube is 72 meter deep. In how much time will it be filled up to 3 by 4 of its depth? If all the 4 pipes are opened together but R is closed after an hour. हमें कौन करे ना 10, 15 और 20 हमें LCM ताकि तरह ना 60 10 6 जा 15 4 जा 23 a top can filled by 3 pipes PQ are alone 10 15 and 20 hours respectively and pipe D can empty the tube in 12 hours D12 that means it is minus 5 the top is 72 meter deep in how much time will be filled up to 3 by 4th of its depth in how much time will be filled up to 3 by 4th of its depth if all the 4 pipes are opened together but R is closed after them. Since there was 60 रो जदि 3 by 4th नवा एटा प्ले केते होतलो 45 ताने 6 4 10 3 13 13 नो हम केते 5 माइनस 6 4 13 13 नो 5 माइनस 8 45 by 8 8 6 जा 48 plus 3 by 8 3 by 8 की जगह हमें 60 रे हमें सॉल्व करियो ना 4 रे कर लेला 15 हो 4 रे कर लेला 2 हो तो हमें 6 hours 15 जा 45 by 2 minutes 45 by 2 the minute रे कन्वर्ट करियो 45 by 2 then it will be 8.6 60 it's 3 by 4 4 gala 15 45 6 for 10 3 13 13 of 5 gala pilala 8 जदि हम नहीं जिबा 72 रो आपनकर सब एलसीएम नहीं जिबा 72 तो एटा ला केतेटा 10 एटा ला 15 एटा ला आपनकर 20 एटा ला आपनकर 12 तो 10 हेले एटा 7.2 हो 15 हेले 72 by 15 3 रे करला आपनकर आसो 24 3 रे करले आसो 5 जोटा कि 4.8 then 20 रे काटले 72 by 20 हेले अपन 2 रे काटले 36 और आसला 3.6 एटा आसला अपन 12 6 minus 6 तो 7.2 4.8 हेला एटा को मिसला अपन 12 12 plus 3.6 ताने 15.6 15.6 चले गेले एटा 15.6 हेला अपन आसला 9.6 ठीक अछि 72 रो 3 by 4 तो 4 कर लेता 18 18 थी जा 54 54 by 9.6 जब हम 0 कर देवे तो एटा 6 से काट ले एटा 90 6 से काट ले अपन एटा बोलते ना 6 हेले 16. Then 2 रे काटले 45 हो, 2 रे काटले 8 हो, तब मैंने 48. In how much time it will be filled up to 3 by 4th of its depth if all the three pipes are opened together on a 72 depth touching. तो पूरा टांगीटा को फिल करने में कितना समय लगता है ना 72 by 9.6 यदि हम एमटी बनावा देखा 720 by 9.6 तो ने अपन करो 6 से काटले 120 6 से काटले 60 then r 3 by 4 यदि हम नवा 4 काटले प्लेट 30 33 जा 90 90 ला 16 16 6 जा 1696 and plus none of these have answer. ABC started a business and A invested 10,000 rupees for 6 months. B invested 7,200 for 5 months and C invested 12,000 for X months. Overall profit is 8,000 from which A receives 7% as his working partner. तो overall profit is 8,000 from which A receives 7%. Overall profit is 8,000 from which A receives 7% as his working partner. Then 8,000, it's in 93% because from the total profit 8,000, A receives 7% his working partner. Rest of the profit is divided in this ratio. So 0 0 cancels 0, 8 3 are 24, 4 2 carry, 8 9 are 72 plus 2 74, 7440. This ratio is equal to 60,000. Then 0 0 0 cancel कर दे इटा अपना ऐसे 60 10 6 100 6 600 है ऐसे अपना अगर ऐसे 600 72 into 5 360 इटा अपना ऐसे 12x आपको मध्य हम कैटेगरी 50 इटा वो 12 कर ले 30 और 12 कर ले x हमें 50 plus 30 plus x is equal to अपना अगर 7440. So we have to find out the value of x. So that x by 50 plus 30, 80 plus x into 7440. If C share profit is 2480, then 7440x is equal to 2480 whole into 80 plus x. So that 2480x is equal to 2480 into 80. So that x 10 0 minus 0 0 14 minus 8 is equal to 6, 13 minus 4 is equal to 9, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 496. Then x is equal to 2480 into 80 divided by 4960. Then x is equal to here 0 0 cancels. X is equal to here we get 4. Okay. The option B is our correct answer. The ratio of length to breadth of a rectangle is 3:1. The sum of the area of the circle and the rectangle is 808 centimeter square. The ratio of length to breadth of a rectangle. Length here 3, breadth here 1. The sum of the area of the circle and rectangle is 808 centimeter square. Circumference of a circle is what percent of the perimeter of the rectangle if the radius of the circle 14 centimeter. So here R area यदि हमें बाहर करिया क्या ना rectangle area यदि हम पिला बाहर करिया क्या करूँ A into B अर्थात suppose 3x into x that is 3x square then plus 22 by 7 pi r square 14 into 14 7 to that is 3x square plus 22 into 2 44 into 14 14 for the 56 65 carry 14 for the 56 5 61 616 616 is equal to 808. So that 3x square is equal to 808 minus 616. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Then 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Then 192. Then x square is equal to 3 6 is 64. X is equal to 8. Question here. Circumference of the circle is what percentage of the perimeter of the rectangle? If it is 8 3 is 24, then another is 8. Then perimeter is equal to 24 plus it is 32 into 2 64. Then circumference is equal to 2 pi r 2 into 22 by 7 r means 14. To calculate आपन 2 अछि 22 into 2 44 into 2 88. क्वेश्चन पचाला जे 88 टा 64 रो केते परसेंटेज तो 4 रे काला आपन 22 4 रे काला आपन 16 2 रे काला 11 2 रे काला आपन 8 तो 8 रे पिला 100 रो काटले 12.5 11 5 is 55 5 1 55 5 5 carry 11 to 22 plus 5 27 7 to carry 11 to 11 to 13 down 137.5 option A is our answer 137.5 it is our answer. Next question. In a furniture shop there are some tables and some office chairs. The average price of tables 2800 and that of office chair is equal to 2500 and the average price of both the office chair and tables is 2590. If the number of tables is 15, then total table price 15 into 2800. Find the average total number of tables and office chair in the shop. Table number है 15. Suppose chair है अपन को राइट मल्टीप्लाई कर 0 0. 14 8 जा 120 0 12 carry 14 2 जा 30 12 42. तामने 42,000. ठीक है. 42,000 plus suppose chair अच्छी extra. हम total price इटी कितना ना 2500x is equal to and average हमर केते अछि ना 2590 तामने हम लिखि परिबा जे x plus 15 into 2590 এটা হলো total price টা तामने 42,000 plus 2500x is equal to 2590x plus 15 into 2590. So here 42,000 यदि हम आपको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो डेटा कितना होगा ना 15 0 0 15 9 135 5 and 13 carry 15 5 75 plus 13 75 plus 13 आपन आसला 88 8 and 8 carry 15 to the 30 plus 8 38 and 38850 हम लिखि परिबा को जे 38850 आर माने प्रोडक्ट टा ठीक अछि तो 2590 एटा आसी गला 90x is equal to 42,000 minus 38850 then 90x is equal to এটা माइनस कर ले 42,000 आपका 38,850 0 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 then 11 minus 8 is equal to 3 3150 then x is equal to what 35 x is equal to 35 से कोजी कोन ना फाइंड द एवरेज ऑफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ टेबल्स अच्छा टेबल अछि 15 टा और चेयर अछि 35 टा ए दीटार एवरेज पिला केता हो ना 35 15 ला 40 दीटा का आइटम होला डिवाइडेड बाय 2 और टेबल और चेयर एवरेज केता हो ना 20 35 plus 15 35 plus 15 का 50 ना 50 by 2 এটা आपन रासो 25 ऑप्शन सी हैला आंसर क्लियर चलो नेक्स्ट नंबर करबा on a cycle race man A takes 2 hours more than man B to cover 60 km. If man A increases his speed by 4 times, he will be 45 minutes less than time B. Find the speed of man A. On a cycle race, a man takes 2 hours more than man B to cover 60 km. Suppose man A ର speed ହେଲା x किलोमीटर और man B ର speed ହେଲା y किलोमीटर ओके then suppose man A increase in only a cycle a man A takes 2 hours more than तो 60 by y minus 60 by x केतेटा ना दी सॉरी भूल कारण किए 2 घंटा अधिक न ना man A अधिक न तो लिखि पारे आगे कोन ना 60 by x minus 60 by y is equal to 2 नल अलगा और इजीली भी नहीं करिया हम एंती केमती ना सपोज मैन ए रो स्पीड हैला x किलोमीटर पर एन आवर आउ मैन बी रो मनकर टाइम हैला मैन बी रो केते सपोज y अछि a टेक्स केते टाइम ना बुझी ना a टेक्स ना y + 2 टाइम ना y + 2 टाइम ना ता माने 60 divided by x is equal to y + 2 so that 60 is equal to 2x plus y clear सेमदी man 8x कौन लिखी ना y minus 45 by 60 तने y minus 3 by 4 y minus 3 by 4 hours to cover 60 km at 4x speed so that I can write 60 by 4x is equal to y minus 3 by 4 then 60 is equal to 4xy minus 3x that means 2x plus xy minus 4xy plus 3x is equal to 0 डायरेक्ट लिखि देले त आपनकर y ର वैल्यू ठी पळे आसे 2x plus xy minus 4xy plus 3x तने y ର वैल्यू ठी केता आसला ना 5 by 3 so that 60 is equal to 2x plus 5 by 3x 60 माने x ର वैल्यू 16.4 ऑप्शन बी हैला आंसर Two types of bulbs, LED and CFL, sold by a shopkeeper. He marked the CFL bulbs at 30% above its cost price and he gave 10% discount on it. The cost price of LED is 15% more than the cost price of CFL. The shopkeeper sold CFL bulbs 468 rupees and sold the LED at 10% profit. Then find the selling price of LED. So here CFL cost price is 100x. तो 100x ର 30% 130 by 100 जोटा आपन आसला 130x एटा ला कोन ना मार्क प्राइस सेलिंग प्राइस एटी केते आसला ना 130x रो 10% डिस्काउंट ना 90 by 100 तन आसला 117x according to the question 117x is equal to 648 x is equal to आपन आसला केते ना 4 okay. Then cost price of LED bulb cost price of LED bulb केते डाला ना 4 ले अपन करे डाला 400 ठीक है 400 into 115 by 100 एटा कटि गेला एटा आसला 460 then 460 into 110 by 100 जोटा आसला अपन करे केते 0000 कटि गेला एटा से 11 6 is 66 6 carry 11 4 जा 44 plus 650 506 option A is our answer clear. ये थिला आपनकर SBI pure preliminary question सी बा very similar types of questions for your exam. If you practice such type of questions then speed accuracy data develop करियो ठीक है आपन बहुत ध्यान करियो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करा ओके. थैंक यू ऑल कंटिन्यू करंतु प्रैक्टिस. वैभव दास सॉरी मैं देखि पान नथिल तमर मेसेज टा ओके थैंक यू ऑल.